have storms on the sun, we have eruptions of material, actual solid particles, but microscopic particles we cannot see. Similar to we have a wind here, we have a solar wind out in space. These particles are moving at hundreds of kilometers per second, and they can cause damage to satellites, to astronauts, to people flying in planes over the pole even. And here we're studying these particles. We collect them here in this caravan, and we can study the changes as a function of time of day, season, and even over decades. So this station has been here in Israel for more than 20 years. It started out in Antarctica, and then it was taken to Italy. It was owned by the Italians and donated to us for our research. In addition to the particles we're measuring from the sun, we're also looking at electromagnetic waves in the atmosphere. This can be coming from the sun, but also from thunderstorms here in our atmosphere. We also study earthquakes, and we also study dust storms. All of these can provide changes in electric fields here that we measure on the Hermon. So here we have a weather station, a meteorological station, measures different parameters of the weather. We have up here also a radiation meter. The little ball on top is measuring how much light is coming. We actually have there also a laser beam which measures the visibility, if we have dust here or fog or clouds, and obviously temperature, pressure and rainfall. And on the top we even have a lightning conductor to protect all these in case the lightning hits it. Now we're sitting inside the laboratory. Behind me you can see these instruments which collect the particles coming in from the sun and from outer space. And when they come into these blocks, they cause a little flash of light, which we detect, and we count how many of these we see. We measure how many are coming, how this changes with time, and also the energy, how fast they're moving. It all comes into the computers here and then through the internet back to the university.